guys! Welcome to Campus Tour here at Sheffield High School. I'm Kiara C.
And I'm Kylie Sicosio.
And we're your hosts. Today's show is filmed at SES Network, our very own recording studio, ran by our teacher, Alan Slusher. It features 4 segments: I'm Weak, Ranker, Faculty Flex, and Challenge Accepted. So, which of the segments are you mostly excited to watch?
It's a hard one, but probably Ranker just because I'm one of the hosts. But I'm really excited about Challenge Accepted too. What about you?
I think I want to say Faculty Flex because it's competitive and you're going against your teacher, and I like competition, so that would most likely be my favorite. But with that, the following segment features our students and faculty doing different challenges, laughing, ranking, and sharing their opinions, and most importantly, having fun.
Let's talk about the first segment, I'm Weak, hosted by our amazing friend Maddie Evans. So now we'll let Maddie take over.
Hello, I'm your host, Maddie Evans. Welcome to I'm Weak. The rules of this game are simple. Our 2 contestants will be reacting to funny videos with water in their mouths, and whoever spits it out first loses. Speaking of our contestants, let's move over to them now.
Have you ever seen somebody get attacked by a waterfall? Well, now you have.
Me encanta la playa porque todo es paz.
I just hope that this guy was not busy with a funeral service when this happened.
Y tú ya lo estás haciendo con saña, como que ya te enojaste. Órale, cocazo.
And just like that, a romantic moment turned into a memorable prank.
Cuchillo así, ahí, lo encajan en la cabeza.
Oh my God! What is the quickest way to get pink eye in public? Well, if you don't know, then this is the answer.
Perdón, lo siento. Te has caído encima de mi amiga, tío. Ay, qué
Kiss me.
And that was I'm Weak. Thank you to our contestants for participating. This will conclude this segment from Sheffield High School.
Well, that was very interesting. I don't know how they lasted that long. Me personally, I would have definitely failed at the dog with the sock on its head.
I know, right? I laugh at the most simplest things. The guy getting hit in his head trying to eat his birthday cake? Now that was funny to me.
Anywho, the next segment we have for you is
Ranker, where they rate their top 10 favorite beverages, which is hosted by my fave, Kylie Sicosio and Mario Murillo. Let's jump right into it.
My name is Kylie Sicosio.
My name is Mario Murillo.
And you're watching
Ranker.
So today on Ranker, we're going to be ranking my top 10 beverages.
So for like your number one beverage overall, like over anything else, what would you go for?
Some people may disagree with this, but honestly, water would be my number one. Just because it's just a classic, it's healthy, and I just really like water.
It's just always there, you know?
Yep.
So, like, right under it, I'm guessing, what would be your number 2?
Probably a crisp Dr. Pepper, just because, I mean, Dr. Pepper, in my opinion, is better than water, but it's just
not-
number 2.
Yeah. I saw the craze over Dr. Pepper, like, just
Yeah,
skyrocket
it was
over,
insane.
like, the past 2 years. Like,
Yeah.
I saw a person get sick over not drinking Dr. Pepper for, like, a week.
Yeah, the
It was
TikTok
crazy.
videos on Dr. Pepper is just crazy.
So, for your number 3, what are you thinking?
Probably a Gatorade, and my preference, like, on the flavor would probably be a Cool Blue.
Mine, for some reason, is cucumber lime. It's
Really?
such a weird flavor, but it's good.
Yeah, I've never tried it.
Number 4?
Probably a blue raspberry slushie, preferably from Circle K.
I think mine would probably have to be like a white cherry.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know why. It's sour. It
Yeah,
works.
It works.
Number 5?
Probably lemonade because it's very sweet, but it's just a good little sweet treat.
Yeah, I think I like where they mix it with sweet tea. Sweet tea, amazing.
I also like pink lemonade, but lemonade's
Pink
just...
lemonade is
it
amazing.
it's bomb.
Number 6?
Probably Kool-Aid because I grew up drinking it as a
Yeah.
kid, and it's just like something that's always been there,
Yeah.
so it's just...
What flavor in specific?
Probably blue raspberry because, as you can tell, I love blue raspberry
Yeah.
things.
I think mine would probably be grape. For
Really?
Some reason. Yeah. What would your number 7 be?
Probably Fanta and just like the original flavor, like the orange. is
Orange?
just really good.
Yeah, I grew up on pineapple and orange.
Really?
Best flavors in my opinion. Number 8?
Probably root beer because I love root beer floats and the ice cream and the root beer just go together
Yeah.
perfectly.
For your number 9, what are you thinking?
Probably just a Sprite.
Yeah, it's classic.
It
you know.
is.
Number 10?
Probably a Coca-Cola.
Same thing with Sprite. It's always there.
It
It's
is.
classic.
Thank you for watching Ranker, and now back to our host.
Wow, I loved y'all's opinion, and honestly, I have to agree with you on that one. I think water is good for you, but what do you think about the people that would disagree with you on this list?
Thank you for agreeing. Honestly, if they disagree, it's totally fine, and it won't hurt my feelings because everyone has their own opinions. But I do think my list was pretty good.
Well, I'm glad you're thinking positive. That's a good way to go. And with that, our next segment we have for you is Faculty Flex, hosted by Ariana Woodward and Aiden Dalton.
This segment is where a student and teacher of our choice go head-to-head in a random challenge and have to compete against each other. Now, we'll let the host continue on.
Hello, welcome to Faculty Flex, where we test the strength of our faculty and students. I am Ariana Woodward.
And I'm Aiden Dalton, and we're your hosts. Today we have a bench press competition between Coach Vallejo and our fellow student, Jordan Studge. This competition seems pretty exciting. Who do you think is going to win?
Me, personally, I think Coach Vallejo is going to win, especially because we're not giving them any time to, warm up. Who do you think is going to win?
At first, I had Jordan, but, there's an age gap between the two, so I'm all for Coach Vallejo. Well, that was surprising, don't you think?
Kinda not really. I was kind of expecting Coach Valle to win, especially because he's a grown man and Jordan's 15.
For a moment there, I thought Jordan may have had it. Coach Valle was able to pull away by quite a large margin.
Yeah, true. Well, that's it for Faculty Flex. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again soon.
Wow, that was a fun competition to watch, don't you think?
Yeah, it was really fun, and honestly, I was rooting for Coach Vallejo in the very beginning.
Yeah, me too. But Jordan did put up a really good fight, being a lot younger than Coach Vallejo is.
Yeah.
Now, the last segment we have for you today is Challenge Accepted, where 2 contestants are timed to decorate a cake to see who could recreate the example given.
Which is hosted by Maddie Evans, so now we'll let her take the floor.
Hello, I'm your host, Maddie Evans. Welcome to Challenge Accepted. In this segment, 2 of our students will be decorating cakes, and they will be competing to see who does it better. Let's move over to our contestants now. And that was Challenge Accepted. Thank you to Navi, James, and all of our participants, and thank you to everyone who watched this segment. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Wow, they did really good. I'm kind of jealous that I didn't get a piece, but I'm sure by the looks of it, it tasted great. What do you think, Kylie? How'd they do?
I think they did really, really well, especially working under pressure with the timer. It looked really enjoyable, and I liked that the icing was pink because it's my favorite color.
So, with that, we've seen I'm Weak, Ranker, Faculty Flex, and Challenge Accepted. So, out of the 4 segments, which is your most favorite?
I enjoyed all the segments, but my favorite was definitely Faculty Flex. Which one was your favorite?
Well, I personally like Challenge Accepted because they were eating my favorite flavor of cake, which is vanilla, and the icing looked really good. But that is all that we have for you today.
So with that, this has been a wonderful experience from Sheffield High School. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.
You can follow us on YouTube at SCS Network/Dog Talk.
Thanks for watching Campus Tour,
and we'll see you soon. Bye!